Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. K. Today I am reviewing long grain rice, organic long grain rice made by Lundberg Family Farms. And I wanted to kind of provide a review of their products. My favorite one is the white long grain rice. As you can see here, this comes in a 32 ounce or a 2-pound bag. Very convenient if you have a big family. This is one of my favorites. They do have a lot of different kinds of rice, you know, basmati, short grain, things like that. But this is one of my favorites. Kind of like to use it in all sorts of recipes. In the back of the package, if you notice, it is certified organic, as I mentioned. It is manufactured and distributed in California. This was one of the important points that I wanted to make, as some of their other products they do have a label that says an imported ingredient from, you know, other countries. So I try to stay away from that. And like I said, you know, especially if it's long grain rice, I'm all about it. It is gluten-free and of course non-GMO. And so ingredient list: organic long grain white rice. So what I usually do is I create different dishes, like I said, and just add, for example, for 1 cup of rice, probably about 2.5 cups of liquid. I prefer to cook my rice in chicken stock. It has more flavor to it. So the packaging is pretty good. I like that it has a resealable top. So let's go ahead and it says tear here. Let me adjust it so you guys can see. See, it says tear here. We're gonna do that. All right, pretty easy. Okay. All right. So it has a little Velcro. Pretty good. Nothing gets in, nothing gets out. All right, and the rice looks pretty much like this. Long grain, just your regular long grain rice. It's pretty good. Like I said, it cooks pretty quickly. I guess that's about it. If you have any questions, list them in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk soon.